So we have a very interesting little advert here from Phone Arena of the first tri-foldable phone from Samsung. It's actually posted by Let's Go Digital, created it, but Phone Arena posted it. So, we got Galaxy Tri-Foldable Phone, a rear sub-display, S Pen support. If they came out with a first-gen product, a first-gen tri-foldable phone, first time they ever done so, and they had S Pen support to it, that would be very remarkable. That's definitely would be very cool to see them actually add any type of S Pen support. Again, for a first-gen product that really durability is going to be the biggest problem, the biggest issue. So that would be awesome. Triple rear camera, under panel camera with under display camera. We kind of expect that. In display fingerprint sensor. Again, another thing they have not figured out with the Z Fold series. So, okay. Interesting if, again, they could figure this whole situation out. Interesting. HDMI connector. Yeah, so this is the real kicker here that really kind of took me by storm. Is HDMI connector? Huh? You're telling me they're going to add an HDMI port on this phone. Now, this makes perfect sense, let's be honest, right? Because, you know, tri-foldable phones, we're getting to a point now where they're becoming more than just phones. They're really becoming laptops. Well, tablets / mini laptops. When you get to a point where you have your whole entire front of your body is covered in a display pretty much, you're kind of pushing the lines of, yeah, this is just a foldable cell phone. Like, this is a more than that technologically, right? So, okay. You know, you have the ability to just connect right to a TV monitor, do whatever you need to, and yeah. All I gotta say about this, and I've said it before, it's gonna cost $5,000, and the more things are adding, the more price tag this is gonna cost. Keep in mind, this is not confirmed. This is not 100%. All these things are, you know, going to be added to the device. This is just like a, you know, a render / you know, ideas and rumors. So just keep that in mind. Nothing is confirmed yet. So everything you see is literally just hearsay until it actually does get confirmed and goes through the whole process and stuff like that. But for right now, this is all just, you know, speculation of what could happen. But again, even with speculation, still pretty damn cool. I mean, I gotta give I gotta give Samsung a lot of credit if they do go ahead and go toward this direction. So, I mean, it's gonna cost an arm and a leg. But the good thing is, eventually, down the line, way down the line, it will be a lot more affordable. And after 6 generations, we'll be able to get this product. So, it's one of those situations where it's pushing toward the future. Other companies are going to come out with tri-foldable cell phones. And we're going to see, you know, this product just get better and better and better. And eventually, down the line, more affordable for the average consumer, which obviously right now, not really going to be in the affordable category, let's be honest. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.